Hello, Chariton. Happy Wednesday. It's time for our first rainbow kit. I'm so excited. And we've got a lot of exciting opportunities this month besides the rainbows. So make sure that you stay connected with our Facebook page. And I try to get things on Instagram as well, although I'm still new at that. And I think sometimes I must miss a step because it doesn't show up, but I'm trying. And be sure to watch our Facebook page, give us a like, make sure that you're connecting with us frequently so that it pops up in your feed. And if you have any questions, you can always email me, SheratonLibraryKids@gmail.com. And without further ado, the first rainbow kit, rainbow rolls. So this is what the kit looks like. I actually had to put them in 2 bins because they're a little bit bigger than usual. So in here you have some full-size sheets. These are Play-Doh mats and they are already laminated for you, so these are things that you can keep for a long time. Families with lots of children, you might not need to take 1 kit per kid. Kind of spread the love out a little bit. Just because this is reusable and there's plenty of Play-Doh in here, and I can share the recipe as well if you would like. So on one side we have roll a rainbow. Now if you've got a die at home that you can roll from a game, that is perfectly fine. In fact, I would recommend it. But you also have in your kit a cardstock copy of a die that you can cut out and turn into your own little dice. It's kind of fun for kids to do. It's sort of tricky to fold. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, so it's a little bit hard to fold on the lines because they're not very big. And I didn't even attempt to glue this. I taped it because I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but these little tabs that fit inside to make the cube, they're really tiny. So I didn't even try gluing. I just taped. I'm not sure if you can see it, but then I taped it on every side so when I roll it, it rolls a little more evenly so it's not weighted on one side or another. So it's actually kind of a fun STEM project if you want to get some science in there too. So you can make a die or you can use one from a game, and then it's got a correlating number. So if you roll a 4 first, then you're going to make the green part of your rainbow. Kind of reminds me of Cootie. Does anybody else remember that game? I love that game. Then on the back, you have some primary and secondary colors activities. So obviously this is a next level, so maybe littlest kids aren't going to think about the questions here, but readers certainly can. And then you can use the Play-Doh that is included to do the color experiments. So on the back of the rainbow one, you've got the 3 primary colors. So you take a little bit of red, yellow, and blue, and then figure out what makes green, what makes orange, what makes purple. A dry erase marker and actually a Crayola marker will kind of work on this. A crayon will work. It just takes a little more elbow grease to get cleaned off. But you can also use a vis-a-vis marker or a window marker of some kind, an expo marker, a chalk marker. You can do all kinds of different things. If you are doing this with little kiddos, be sure to put a placemat underneath. Those markers tend to stain things, and the Play-Doh is not going to stain. It does have food coloring in it, obviously. This was all made with Jell-O, so it smells good, and it's colored by the Jell-O, and some of them I added a little bit of extra color just to make them vibrant, make them all the equal shades of vibrant. And it's not going to stain things, but obviously if it's on a placemat, it's easier to contain. Also in here, another laminated sheet. This one has planting, spring type things on the front side, and then some recycling and green things on the back, because April is also the month of Earth Day, and there's a fun little coloring page of Earth recycling, which I just thought was kind of funny. So those are the sheets in there, and then there is a bag of each color. By all means, mix and match. Have a good time. And like I said, I can send you the link or the recipe for the Play-Doh if you would like that. And then also in here, just like from our little promo video, it's our rainbow Rainbow peephole. That's not working as well today, is it? So this is for you to keep. There's just one in each bag. It's something that can be shared. I still have some here to use for different programs, but these are for you to keep. I don't need anything back from this kit, so please keep it all, enjoy it all, have a great time, and I can't wait to hear how much you enjoy doing rainbows this week.